this video, we will demonstrate how to access the drain line flow control. First, remove the clip that is holding the drain line elbow in place. Then wiggle the elbow up and away from the control valve body. You may find that the rubber flow control will be attached to the end of the elbow, but in this case the flow control is still inside of the drain port, so you'll need to delicately remove the flow control without causing any damage to the center hole. Note that there's an O-ring on the end of the drain elbow. If it's torn or pinched, it's recommended to remove it and replace it with a new O-ring, as it may cause a drip coming out of the drain port if not replaced. Notice that there are two distinct sides to the flow control. There's a flat side and a nozzle side. I'm currently showing the nozzle side up, and I'd like to point out that there's a corresponding flow control number and GPM flow rate embossed on the nozzle side of the flow control. It can be difficult to see, but it is there. By using a pick tool, ensure that the rubber flow washer is clean and clear of any debris, as this will affect the water flow running to drain during the unit's regeneration process. Regardless if you replace the O-ring or not, make sure to apply a thin layer of silicone grease onto the O-ring before placing it onto the elbow. Prior to placing the drain line elbow assembly back into the valve body port, ensure that the port is clear of any debris or buildup. Then place the flat side of the flow control into the drain elbow as shown here. It's most important that the nozzle end of the flow control faces downward and into the valve body in order to control the proper flow of water running to the drain during the unit's regeneration process. Push the drain line flow control elbow assembly back into position, nice and snug, and then push the secure clip back into position and swivel the drain elbow to your liking. You have now successfully inspected the drain line flow control assembly.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.